Listen to this reading from the book of Revelation, chapter 3. The glorious and reigning Son of Man is speaking. And he says, "The one who is victorious will be dressed in white. I will never blot out the name of that person from the book of life, but will acknowledge that name before my Father and his angels." Hi friends, I'm Andrew Ross, pastor at Northminster Presbyterian Church in Tucson, Arizona. And some of you are not used to seeing me in a clergy robe, especially a white clergy robe, but I'm wearing it for a reason. Some time ago, on St. Patrick's Day, in fact, my mother, Audrey Ross, was promoted to glory. Her faith through her life led her to a promotion at her passing that is a joy in the hearts of us family members, but also we are grieving her loss. She was a special mom. And let me just say as a side note here, how grateful we are for the prayers and care and comfort of a church family, our church family at Northminster. We have felt your support. We have felt that comfort of loved ones across the miles, and especially in Tucson. And it's been a profound comfort of God. Thank you. That's part of what being a part of church is about. We are family, brothers and sisters in the Spirit of Christ. But back to this white robe. I'm wearing it because my mother gave me this white clergy robe as a gift years ago. She saw some other pastor wearing one, and with her kind of feisty determination and passion, she just decided that I needed a white robe, and so she applied her money and gave me this as a gift. Every time I wear this white robe, I think of my mother. I think about how when I was a child, she made me every Sunday wear itchy wool pants and stiff, uncomfortable shoes to go to worship and to sit on a pew and endure the service with doodling, cough drops, and whatever other candy was in her purse. Over the years, I've exchanged those itchy childhood pants for a pretty spiffy robe. I think of my mom, and I often wear this white robe at memorial and funeral services as a witness of the resurrection. Several times in the book of Revelation, the promise is given that those who are victorious, glorious in the salvation of our Lord Jesus, will be dressed in white in the kingdom feast and presence to come. Thank you for your prayers. I thank God for my mother and her faith, and how she shared that faith with us, and how she lived her faith, and how she is now reigning in glory. And we will be together again. A promise that means so much. Friends, this week, in the middle of this week, is that promise of victory and hope, healing, and white robe restoration. Is that yours? Have you claimed it? Have you taken a faith step towards Jesus, knowing that he is the one who can cleanse away every stain and dress you in the garments of steadfast love and peace now and into eternity? Have you claimed that promise? And if you have you shared that witness of your faith with someone you know? Praise and glory belong to our God. One day we will be together again. And through Jesus, we are offered a gift that we could never earn, but simply have to receive in faith. receive his gift today. Take that step of trust. Ask Jesus into your heart. And let's spend this week rejoicing in that promise and witnessing to his name. And I will see you in church.